Okay, well, hey, this is Gary Peplow, John Tremmel, and Becky is behind the camera. All right, what we're doing here today is we are doing a video using infrared looking for the gold-spotted oak borer. Now, we've learned just recently that IR technology can pick up subtle heat changes in the trees, and we are right now going to do some crown work. Going to look at the top and then maybe look at the trunks depending on what's going on. And we're hoping we can find a way to identify trees that are infected with the oak borer and then take those out before they pass it on to other trees. So, how you doing, John? You excited about this?
I'm doing good. Let's do it.
All right, same here. No problems at all. Okay, and now that's what the bird sees. Now, what the plan is to get up and do a quick survey of everything. The idea is to get up and do a quick survey of everything, and then after we've done the quick survey, then we're going to try to get mosaic shots so that John can use his GIS mapping to see what's going on with the bird and everything else. Okay, so the way I start this is I take it and I push it down and in. Okay, then this is for altitude. It's to go up and down, and this is for pitch and yaw, and this is for straight and then sideways. Okay, so up. Okay, so at this point, you're going to see this on the video that we're doing, but we're going to move to position and do a general search. Okay, now I'm going to first do just a general search. Look at that.
Beautiful.
It is.
Elevation?
90 feet.
That's good. That's taller than most oaks.
Okay, just going to take a quick look at the mountains there.
And look at that. You can see the ridge line there.
Yeah.
All the heat from the sun.
Yeah. Now we'll look at the trees. Now we're just doing a general look right now. We have about 14 minutes. I'm going to take it up a little bit higher so we get cover more scope.
Oh yeah, and most of these should be good. You know, most of these have been treated.
Okay, so I'm gonna from here.
The dead trees have been removed.
I'm gonna just do a right yaw and do a sort of a right yaw circle.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what the oaks are doing to the west.
All right,
down the slope. So I don't know if we're doing any work down there compared to here. It's open up to the public.
All right. Okay, so I'm doing a general slow circle. You can see where the sun is right there, giving it a little glare.
You can also use this to map out wildfire recovery.
Well, see, that's going to be
because the heat.
Oh, he's pointing that way.
That way. Oh, okay, so that's fire from 2007.
Is that part of the fire?
No, it was a 2007 fire.
No, but is it a fire scar though?
Oh,
or is
yeah, it is.
So we're looking at a fire scar right now. That's sort of cool.
A really old fire scar.
Yeah, but you can see how long it takes to recover. Down here.
Well, so there's oaks along the slope down below us.
All right.
That's like the slope up to this plateau. I don't know if we're doing any work on those oaks down there. And the trail is down there somewhere.
Yeah, the trail is further over there somewhere. I lost the bird.
Well, it's right here.
Oh, I just.
So you see this tree? Follow it towards the top. It's right to the right of this little branch that's sticking out.
Oh, okay. I'm good now. Yeah. Okay, we're currently at 212 bucks.
Yeah, you won't hit any instructions from that one.
Okay, we currently have about 10 minutes left back. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna change palettes again, okay? I'm gonna give it maybe gray. All right, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do visible light. Take a picture. Do IR light. Take a picture. And then mix. And take a picture. And then I'm going to go down. I'm not going to go all the way down with this one.
Oh, yeah.
But I was just showing, because I did some of this already. Okay, so here. Now there's that snag right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's give it visible light. It's not even snag. It's
I was
just.
just say, I don't think it's a snag.
That's the same one. So cool.